Dami apple. Jacob. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Johan Wonders. Thanks guys for watching and subscribing our channel. Please stay connected and stay safe. Today is another food episode. Do you know what we're making? We are going to make apple crisp. Are you ready? Then let's get started. Pick up 4 large crisp apples. The ingredients are listed in the description below. First, we will do the apple filling. Peel the apples and remove the core. Then cut it into thin slices so it will be baked evenly. Add brown sugar. Add melted butter. Add lemon juice. Add all-purpose flour. Cinnamon and nutmeg, then mix all together. Then lay it evenly in your baking pan. Put diced butter on top of the apple filling. Next, we will prepare the topping. Add all-purpose flour. Then add rolled oats. Add brown sugar. Add cinnamon. Then add salt. Finally, add butter and mix all together. Now we will put the topping in the filling. We will bake it in 180 degrees and in 60 minutes.
Few moments later.
Now the apple crisp is ready and you can put vanilla ice cream on top to make it more delicious. Enjoy! This delicious apple crisp. That's it guys, hope you like our apple crisp video. Don't forget to like and subscribe so that I can make more of my exciting and amazing videos. See you on our next food video. Bye bye! Thank you for watching!